Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay and you're watching Scholarships 365. As you already know that the University of Shanghai, Normal University in China, they have announced their scholarships for masters, PhD and undergraduate programs. So it's a CSC scholarship, so which means you don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is apply online on their website, which takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes. You get a confirmation email in return and you have to wait, and if you are selected then you can start your process. So let's give you more details about the requirement for this scholarship. So as I have already told you, it's a fully funded scholarship. You don't need any IELTS or TOEFL. There is no application fees and you don't need to send any documents in hard form to the university. The expenses which are going to be covered by the CSC scholarship are as follows. You are exempt from registration fee, full tuition fee is covered, free accommodation on campus, fee for a comprehensive medical insurance and benefit plan for international students in China. Laboratory experiments, internships and basic textbooks funds are covered. Monthly living allowance will be given to the master's degree holder, that is 3000 yuan per month, and the doctoral degree students, they are going to be 3500 yuan per month, and the duration for the master's degree is going to be around 2 to 3 years and the doctoral degree is 4 to 5 years. The master's degree programs, they are offering in 17 different categories. You can go through on the website, and in the PhD programs they are offering in 2 categories. For the eligibility criteria, applicants must be non-Chinese students. Applicants should be in healthy physical conditions, and for master's degree, students should have a bachelor's degree and be the age of under 35, and for the doctoral degree, students should have a master's degree under the age of 40. The documents you require to apply for these scholarship are as follows. You need the highest degree, diploma or certificate. It should be notarized. In case of master's application, bachelor's degree or a diploma, and in case of PhD program, a master's degree. You will need 2 recommendation letters. The letter should be written by teacher, advisor, employers who are able to evaluate your academic performance and research potential. It should be in English. A study or a research plan in Chinese or English, no less than 800 words. Scanned copy of a passport, digital ID with white background, photocopy of a foreign physical examination form filled in English. So they are offering these program in both language, English and Chinese. They are offering both language programs, English and Chinese, but there is no specific requirement. If you want to choose Chinese, then you have to take 1 year Chinese language course, and for if you want to go ahead with the English, then you must submit an English proficiency letter, which is IELTS or a TOEFL, or you can give them your previous university letter, in which in that letter it should states that your previous education was in English. So now let's go to their official website. So once you go to the official website, you need to if the website is showing in Chinese, you need to click on that English link and it will turn into English. For registration, you need to have a username, a unique username, your valid email address. Then you need to create 2 password, and then you can submit that. They'll send you an email. So once you log into their website, there is a list of instruction. You can go through that. I've already done that. I'll go straight to the application online. So the first section is your personal details. In the personal information, you have to have your full name, date of birth, gender, your marital status, country of birth, city of birth, your religion, nationality, native language, passport number, passport expiry date, your valid phone number and your valid email address along with the full postal address. Click on that, verify and save. You'll move on to the next section, which is education and employment history. So once you are into the education and employment history, you have to have your institution name, field of study, qualifications, years attended, and if you have any other qualification, then you have to have them as well. Once you're done, you move on to the employer section. If you have been working or if you have worked in the past, then you need to give them as well. If not, then you can click on verify and save, and it will take you to the next sections, which is your contact details. So in the contact details, you have to have your father names, mother name, father occupation, and all that. Click on verify and save. So the next section is the application. You need to choose the application type B. In the application type B, you have to put the university code, which is 10288. We already mentioned this code in our website. So so that code is for this university, Nanjing University of Sciences and Technology. Then you move on to the language proficiency. Chinese language, non-English proficiency, excellent. You want to apply as a bachelor's degree, master's degree, or doctoral degree. Then you need to select which department you want to study and which major are you going to study, and you have to have the duration of your major studies. Click verify and save. Then it will take you to the list of documents which you need to upload. The list of documents is about 13 different documents which you need to upload. I'll go through one by one. So the first one is an ID photo, which can be a passport, scanned copy of a passport. Then you have to have your highest education. It should be notarized. And then the transcripts. After that, the study plan. Then the reference. You should have two different references. The passport homepage, physical examination record for foreigner, papers of articles or to be published. If you didn't have any published articles, then you can leave that. Other supporting documents, you can upload your other education credential in that. If you have any Chinese language proficiency certificate, you need to upload them. If you have English language proficiency certificate like IELTS, TOEFL, you can upload that. If you don't have that, you can give them your university letter. As already I told you that for that specific requirement, your university needs to issue you a letter that your previous education format was in English. Then click on submit. After completing this step, complete on finish, and you will receive a confirmation email. You have to wait till 10th of May. They will send you a confirmation email whether you have received a scholarship or not. If you are received, then good luck to you. Please like this video, share this video. So I'm signing out. Goodbye, guys.